is the first thing that I'm gonna do is tint the windows. So this is like a little preview. Passenger, back of passenger, obviously the back of me, and my side. And of course I'm not gonna be able to tint the front. Obviously it's illegal, I guess, but either way, no big deal. All right, guys, we are eco-tint right behind us, right there. Yeah, so they're gonna tint my windows, just regular limo tint, and let's see how it looks later on. Wow, this is amazing. I can't even see through it. And guess what? This is where I got it from. ecotint.com. Amazing people. Obviously I wasn't able to film or video the process on how they do it. I did not, however, do the front windshield. I can if I want to, but I don't want to get in trouble because that's one of the things, laws that it's kind of iffy. So I'm contemplating, but still, let's check out the inside. Cool beans. As a matter of fact, it kind of looks like it's nothing per se. Look. But maybe if you, that's the front windshield, obviously. And then from front windshield to the side, I think it looks amazing. This is really good. And even in the dark, I'm sure my rearview mirror, let me show you. That looks nice. Very nice. All right, so I can check this off the list on the modifications to the Maverick. So this looks nice. I just talked to the guy and he said that on his personal car he has 40% on the windshield. So I think I'll probably do that, maybe even 40% or 50%. It all depends. Like I said, I don't want to go too dark like he said, because then that may cause an issue. But as long as I have some sort of privacy, and especially here in Vegas, it gets way too hot, so having some protection would be better than having none at all. So we'll see though. But this is a very good outcome. I'm proud. I'm happy. If you're ever in town, or anybody in Vegas needs their windows tinted, go to ecotint.com. Ask for Sue or Monica. They'll help you out. Tell them that Oliver sent you. I am not getting paid to do this. They're not paying me. I've just worked with them because they're part of my one of the vendors in my list for the company I work for the schools I work for. So they do commercial as well. So if you do guys want, here in Nevada, your windows tinted, whether it be your business or your home, they might do both. Don't quote me on that. Call first. But for sure they do commercial. For sure they do probably home, and obviously cars. So check them out and stay tuned. Tell them that Oliver sent you. I don't mind if I don't get paid either. They're amazing people. They're good friends. Like I said, they're one of the people or businesses that we work with from the schools I work for. So they're amazing. Side note, I am putting gas in the car finally, and guess what? I'm putting diesel so you can flush it out. I'm not putting diesel, but I am putting 91. Okay, quick update. So I got the windows tinted Monday. 4 days later, which is Friday, today, I'm gonna get the front wind or the windshield tinted, and I'll tell you why. So it doesn't seem like it's tinted, but it is. But once all the windows, passenger back window, driver back, driver, all these are tinted. But once you get to the front windshield, it's a big difference. Okay, I'm gonna go in the street where there's sun. Maybe it's a little bit better. Yep, you can definitely tell the difference right there. Big difference. We'll exit the apartment complex. And the sun's gonna be to my back. Sun's right there. Yeah, car's still dirty. And yeah, gonna be a big change. Okay guys, car is done, at least for the tint part, and it's a big difference. Let's see if you can tell the difference. You still can, huh? Oh, maybe. But if you go outside, it's amazing. Okay, so here's the outside. Let's see. There you go. So this is what I did Monday. The sides are 5%. The windshield is 40%. So it pretty much means 40% of the light will come in, as opposed to the sides in the back, only 5% will come in. So here it sides, and then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and thank you for coming.